In this video we're going to look at stock take approvals for physical stock takes using the More4apps Inventory Physical Stock Take Loader. So the first thing we'll do is we'll have a look at the standard functionality in Oracle. We'll pull back our physical account and you can see the different items here that we wish to look at for approval. You can see currently we're set to none, but we want to choose approve and reject for some of these items. Included in this are some items we created with new tags, so they weren't on the original count. Let's download this stock take, and we can look at the stock take we created earlier. We simply copy and paste, put that into the stock take fields here. And you can see this has brought back all the data. It also includes items we haven't counted. We can just remove those from the sheet, so if we don't wish to count them, we can just remove them. So using this scenario here, we'll remove these items and we'll just include the ones we had actually counted. Of course, we can use the user forms here just to check the information and look at what the valid values are. You'll notice here that we can choose the approval status of approve or reject, and the approver has defaulted to the person that's logging in. In this case we'll approve the first set, but the ones we manually created with the new tags, we won't approve those. So we can then select the items in this count and simply upload selected. And you can see here that the adjustments have been accepted. We can download these adjustments. We can just do it by the ID, or we could download the stock take again. And you can see the status here of approved and rejected for the various line items. Of course, you can change the sort order using standard Excel as well. And if we go into the Oracle screen here, you can see they've been rejected. And if we look from the top and see what's been approved, we'll see the items we've just approved. And that's approvals for stock take.